In this video, I will show how to make graph paper in Microsoft Excel. So guys, you need to create this type of paper in Excel. So very simple and easy way. Firstly, insert, then shape. And here guys, you need to select this rectangle and draw your shape. Now zoom out and keep your shape in the first column and row. Now right click on this shape then click on size and properties. In the height, make 0.4. Press enter. In width, same 0.4. Now shape outline, so select no outline. Now select these all cells. So click on this top corner in the left side. Now adjust column size in height and width according this shape size. And make sure in the size and properties select this don't move size with cells. Again make it 0.4. Then press enter and select now this corner and here select all borders. Now delete this shape. So this way you can make graph paper in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment on this video work for you.